Hi, it's Ty with WTI, and I am very pleased with this Feixiang Teak Forest gold color clothing rack. I have to say it was very easy and logical to put together. So I love the attention to detail and also how sturdy it is. Consider that how many clothes I have here. It's in a beautiful golden color. It has these stoppers here that assures that nothing slides over. And also it has extra hooks here for putting things here. For example, I can do this, or you can put hats or bags or anything. So I like to use this as my guest wardrobe because you can give your guests a place to put their clothes on. It even comes with this extra shelf on the bottom, so when your guests come, they can put their shoes there or luggages or whatever. But also this is excellent help when I'm ironing. So you always want to put your clothes somewhere when you're ironing to let them kind of like air and let the moisture disappear. So this is excellent also for that. And also I like to use this when I'm washing something that needs to be air dried and I don't have enough space for that. There's numerous multiple uses for a great clothing rack like this by Feixiang. And the one I have is called Teak Forest and it's gold color. I absolutely think this is excellent choice for anybody who is looking for extra space for their own clothes or want to have beautiful place for their guests to have their clothes on. And that is my point of view.